So I made the rain sensor automatic shades in my previous video, and some of my viewers requested me to make the automatic umbrella shade, so I decided to make an automatic rain sensor umbrella. For that I have taken this small umbrella. I have removed its handle. It has already 2 holes on the rod, so I will put the strong thread inside. Before that I have polished the thread with the candle wax so that it moves smoothly. I will tie the thread with the plastic pipe holding the spokes. Here it works smoothly. Now we have to put the mechanism to pull the thread automatically. To make this stand, I am using this nut with the washers. It will hold the umbrella. After placing the umbrella, I will place the geared motor. It should be aligned straight to the thread. After screwing the motor, I will do the circuit work. I have taken this rain sensor module. It has sensing plate with the circuit, which gives analog signal at the output. It is most often used with the Arduino, but it can be used without Arduino as well. So whenever it rains, it short circuits the wire on the plate, hence it gives output signal at A0, which is analog signal. We need this normally closed switch along with this normally open switch. The normally closed switch will be placed on the top, which breaks the circuit when the umbrella is fully opened. Here is the circuit diagram. I have used 2 batteries. One of them is 9 volt, which is used to close the umbrella by pressing the switch. So whenever it rains, the water shorts the wire on the plate, which gives signal at the analog pin, which powers the motor. This way the whole project works. When the rain stops, we have to press the switch to close the umbrella. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.